Here we go. Put your hand there. There we go. There we go. Come down here. How are we doing? I think that's good. You ever try playing badminton with this hand?
No.
You should. You should get good with both hands. I kid you not.
Apparently the muscles in my right arm is much more than my left arm.
Okay. So they say that if you're a righty, it says your left arm will be stronger because it lacks precision, it has more strength. Did you know that? That's true. So you can hang longer on a bar with your left hand than you can with your right. So now you know if you're ever falling over a cliff, like go, grab with your left hand. Here. Look down. Okay, look straight. Good. Okay.
You got it from YouTube?
Yeah, I'm getting an award from YouTube. Yeah, we got that actually a long time ago. Yeah, we're working on 500,000.
500,000.
500,000 subscribers. Most of our subscribers are from, let me see, United States and India. Good, look straight. Nice. Okay. Let's hit him in the head a little bit. Doink! Doink! Hold on, I'm just going to loosen up your shoulders a little bit. That's all I'm going to do. Just a little bit. And just relax. There we go. I'm going to check the other side. Same thing. Nice and easy. And then front. Okay. Let's see if this worked. Relax your arm. Just let it drop. Let it drop easy. Easy. Good. And just let it go easy. Perfect. Let's check this side. Same thing. Just relax easy. Good. A little more. Just let it go. Good. Good. Nice. There we go. Shoulders are easy. Good. Nice and easy.
Oh, I can see the difference already.
Yep. Let's check here now. Just relax your elbow. Here. Good. Relax the wrist. Nice. Good. Good. Come here, please. Just relax here. Wrist. A little more. Good. Move your slippers over. What's going on with this one? My goodness, the little guy. All right. Give me a second. Just want to see where we're tight. Right there. Breathe in. And breathe out. Turn left. Just let it go. Good. Okay. Bring this on top. This comes underneath. Turn right a little bit. Hold on. Let's see where we're tight. Okay, breathe in again. Then all the way out. Twist right. A little more. Perfect. Drop your arms. Relax. Relax a second. Good. Head down a little bit. Keep your back just like that. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Right in there. Breathe in really deep. Breathe out. Lean back, Relax more. Come back up. Good. Good. How'd that feel? Pretty crazy? All right. Okay, I want you to come and lay down on the table on your side and face the window. So rest your head here on your side and rest your head there. Yep, right on your side. Good. I'm going to turn you a little bit. A little more. Just like that. Slide you down. Good. I'm going to bend this leg like this. Just like that. Good. I'm going to move you a little closer and just relax your body. Let this come down a little bit. I'm going to stretch out, open the joints inside here. Nice. Good. And I just want you to breathe in really deep. Breathe all the way out. Let it go. Good. Let it go. Perfect. Let's go on the other side, please. And bend this leg, just like that. In here. Come a little closer. There we go. Nice. And just relax your leg. Just let it drop. I'm going to stretch out the lower back a little bit more. Good. And more. Good. Right there. Breathe in again. Deep. All the way out. Let it go. Good. I want you to lay down on your stomach for a minute. I'm going to do some massage in your lower back.
Okay.
So I know you're going to jump off the table.
Can you also do it here?
I'm going to do that. Well, that would be very painful for you.
Yeah, it is really. But
are you sure about that?
Even if I bend it like this,
Yeah.
I can feel the really tightness.
Oh, I understand. No, I know, I get it. But you're going to jump off the table, right? I know you. Okay, you said, Dr. T, I want it. All right, let me make this muscle relax a little bit.
Yeah.
That means you signed a
'Cause I-
contract.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not jumping off the table.
Sign up for it.
Yeah, really. All right. All right. So I'll go real easy. Is that
Yeah,
Okay,
it is.
Okay, This is easy.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to go on the glute a little bit. Too strong?
No.
Good. Okay, I'm going to go on the side of the leg.
Okay.
Let me lower this a little bit. I don't want it too strong for you. You're going to jump off the table. I don't want to freak you out.
Oh. The muscle is dancing.
Oh, it is. It's jumping like crazy. I'm going to go inside the hamstring a little bit, okay?
Yes. Oh.
How are you doing?
Yeah. This.
Pretty good. Pretty good. Very good. Very good.
Wow.
Very good. Very good. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Doing good. Going into the hamstring.
Okay.
Just breathe. Okay, not done, not done, not done. Don't run away.
Don't go away.
Very good. Very, very good. Very good. And just relax here. Good. Let me just stretch out your lower back a little bit. Let your legs
Okay.
just drop down to the side. Just drop. Just going to stretch a little bit. Good. Good. I just want to go to the other side also. Okay. Nice and easy. Just let it drop.
Oh.
Good. Good. Fantastic. Come back inside here. All the way out. Just let it go. Good. Put a little bit of a stretch inside here. A little bit more. Come back here. Good. Good. We're going to do one more. Upper back here. Just relax. Just breathe. No, just breathe easy. No, let it go. Good. Good. Okay, come on your back. Lay face up. Nice. Okay. On your back. Lay face up. Lay on your back. I think he forgot where he was. They're hard. Squeeze your knees. Separate. Separate. Good. Bring this down. And just relax. Just relax. Just relax it down. Just gonna make a circle. Just relax. Good. Right here. Good. I'm gonna stretch out your leg muscle now. The one we just worked on. Yeah. Good stretch. Good stretch. Nice. And we're going to stretch out the head flexor a little bit. Just relax. Good. Very good. Bring this back up. Let it go. Relax the hip joint. Oh, no, relax the ankle a little more. Just going to open the joint a little bit. Good. Relax here. Good. Make a circle. Let the hips drop. Good. Back here. Stretch out your hamstring. What do you think? This is good for people that play badminton?
Yeah.
Okay, just relax. Off the table. Let it stretch. Nice. Good. Come back up. Relax the hip. Good. How you doing?
Good.
You still awake? Okay, you're still here. That's a good sign.
I drank coffee.
Okay. That's a good sign. All right, let me just take your arm. I'm going to stretch out these muscles.
Okay.
Here we go. Put your hand there. There we go. There we go. All right, so we may not be able to do that. All right. Put your hand, hold your hand right there. Hold your hand right there. I want to stretch.
Stretch is fine.
Squeeze it if you can. Squeeze it.
Okay.
So I can stretch it.
Yeah.
Good. All right, let's just do the other side. You're doing it, not me. I just have my hand on top of you.
Okay.
Squeeze, so I can stretch. Good. Again. Very good. Keep your hands there. All righty. All right, come up a little bit. That's cool, right there. Let me just check your jaw. Open your mouth. Wider. Close. One more time. Close. Perfect. That's good. No problems. You'd be surprised. Sometimes I do that and people's jaws go pop, 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 pop like crazy.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Good. Just relax in. Okay, we're going to do an adjustment here. Remember your jaw is relaxed. Close your eyes. Breathe easy. Just going to turn a little bit. Just like that. And relax. Good. Put a little stretch. Good. We're going to put a little push inside there. Good. And just relax. A little bit more. That's it. Nice and easy. That was easy. Okay. And we will do one more. Right there. Little locked up right inside there. Okay. And relax a little bit. Nice and easy. Okay, just nice and easy. Give it a little stretch. No, don't help me. Just nice and easy. Relax. You're going to feel a little push inside there. No, let it go. Come back here. How are we doing? I think that's good.
Okay.
I hope that's good.
Yeah.
Good. All right, I just want you to breathe in deep. All the way out. Let it go. Good. Perfect. Let me help you up.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. There we go. Legs on this side. You are all done.